So, some well-known and most prevalent mental disorder are: first is a unipolar, one disorder, uni means one, depressive disorder. A mental disorder characterized by the persistent low mood that is accompanied by the low self-esteem, by loss of interest in a normally enjoyable activity. जो होता है ये कि जो भी डिप्रेसिव पेशेंट है उनका जो होता है लॉस ऑफ एक्टिविटी, किसी भी एक्टिविटी में उनका मन नहीं लगेगा और कोई भी एक्टिविटी नहीं करेंगे नॉर्मली, और जो उनका सेल्फ इस्टीम होता है बहुत लो होता है. ठीक है. बाइपोलर अफेक्टिव डिसऑर्डर आल्सो, इसमें टू डिसीज वो होता है. एक मैनिया जो कि उनका मूड जो होता है एक्सट्रीमली एलिवेटेड होता है, इरिटेबल होता है, एंड सम टाइम वो डिप्रेस फील करते हैं. मतलब एक रिकरेंट एपिसोड ऑफ मैनिया एंड डिप्रेशन. ठीक है. सेम पर्सन एंड डिफरेंट टाइम पे उनका मूड चेंज होता रहता है. Schizophrenia, it is often characterized by abnormal social behavior, failure to recognize what is real. जो श्रीजो का मतलब होता है स्प्लिट माइंड, फ्रेनिया मीन्स होता है माइंड. तो इसमें जो होता है पर्सनालिटी, टू टाइप पर्सनालिटीज होती हैं. एपिलेप्सी, एक ग्रुप ऑफ न्यूरोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर कैरेक्टराइज एपिलेप्टिक सीजर. ठीक है. एक्सेसिव एंड अबनॉर्मल ब्रेन एक्टिविटीज होती है एपिलेप्सी में. अल्जाइमर डिसीज, दिस इज द मोस्ट कॉमन फॉर द डिमेंशिया. डिमेंशिया के मेमोरी डिमेंशिया होता है. डिमेंशिया जो है ऑर्गेनिक डिसऑर्डर है. एंड दिस द मोस्ट कॉमन अर्ली सिम्टम इज शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी लॉस हो जाता है. ठीक. पार्किंसन डिसीज, इट इज डिजनरेटिव डिसऑर्डर ऑफ सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम. सिम्टम ऑफ डिसीज मूवमेंट रिलेटेड शेकिंग, रिजिडिटी, स्लोनेस एंड मूवमेंट. इसमें होता है रिजिडिटी एंड ट्रिमलिंग ऑफ हेड, रिजिडिटी एंड ट्रिमलिंग ऑफ एक्सट्रीमिटीज, स्टफिंग गेट विद द शॉर्ट स्टेप and reducing the arm swings and forward tilt of trunk. Multiple sclerosis, it is an inflammatory disorder, disease in which the insulating cover the nerve cell brain and spinal cord damage हो जाती हैं. Drug use disorder, it refers to the overuse of the dependence of drug leading to that affect or detrimental and the individual physically and mentally health ill. Post traumatic stress disorder, that is called PTSD, it may develop after a person is exposed to one or more traumatic events such as sexual assault, warfare, serious injury, etc. Obsessive compulsive disorder, an anxiety disorder characterized by the intrusive thoughts that produce the obsession. ऑब्सेशन का मतलब होता है कि एक्सेसिव. कंपल्सन का मतलब होता है रिपीटेटिव एक्ट्स. तो हम जब भी कोई भी वर्क करेंगे तो बहुत सारे बहुत ज़्यादा सोचेंगे तो हम उसका बहुत ज़्यादा थॉट प्रोसेस आएगी, तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिविटी करेंगे. जैसे कि बहुत लोग को सीडी होता है हैंड वॉशिंग का, क्लीनिंग का, ये सब होता है. इंसोम्निया, जैसे कि इंसोम्निया को कहते हैं स्लीपलेसनेस, is a sleeping disorder in which there is an inability to fall asleep or stay asleep as long as desired. Migraine, chronic neurological disorder characterized by the recurrent moderate to severe headache. Type of mental illness, major psychosis, insane out of reality. एंड मेजर में स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया, स्प्लिट पर्सनालिटी. स्किज़ो का मतलब होता है स्प्लिट, फ्रेनिया का मीन्स माइंड. पर्सन लिव विथ ड्रीम वर्ड्स इन हिज ऑन इज. Manic depressive psychosis, symptom vary from height, excitement, and depth of depression. Paranoia, a tendency to regard that the whole world in a framework of delusion. Major illness is two groups: neurosis and psychosis. In this person unable to react normally to life situation. Personality and character disorder. This group of disorder are the legacy of the unfortunate childhood experience and perception. Causes of mental illness, organic condition. Mental illness may be have origin in organic such as cerebral atherosclerosis, neoplasm, metabolic disease, neurological disease, endocrine disease, tuberculosis, leprosy, epilepsy. Heredity, for example, the child of two schizophrenic patient is 40 times more likely to develop schizophrenia than in a child of two healthy person. Social pathological causes: worries, anxiety, emotional stress, tension, frustration, unhappy marriage, broken homes, economic insecurities. Other environmental factors cause the mental illness like toxic substance, carbon disulfide, mercury, manganese, tin, lead. Psychotropic drugs, barbiturates, alcohol. Nutritional factors, deficiency of thiamine, pyridoxine, iodine. Infectious agent, measles and rubella. Traumatic factor, radiation. Characteristics of mentally healthy person. A mentally healthy person has three main character. He feels comfortable about himself. He neither underestimates nor overestimates his own abilities. He accepts his shortcomings. Mentally healthy person feels right towards others. He is able to interest in others and love them. He has friendship with and friendship that is satisfying and lasting. He is able to like and trust others. Mentally healthy person is able to meet demands of life. He sets reasonable goal for himself. He is not bothered over his emotion, fear and anger, love and guilt. Some warning signals for poor health. There are some questions by which we define a person is mentally healthy or ill. Are you always worrying? Are you unable to concentrate because of unrecognized reason? Are you continuously unhappy? Do you lose temper easily and often? Are you troubled by regular insomnia? Do you continuously dislike with people? Are you upset if the routine your is life disturbed? Are you afraid without real cause? Are you always right and other person way wrong? If answer is any of the answered question type else be necessary. Prevention, level of prevention, three type prevention होते हैं, primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary, it operates on a community basis. This consists of improving a social environment and promotion of social, emotional and physical well-being of all patients. Secondary prevention, it consists of early diagnosis of mental illness and social emotional disturbance through the screening program in school, universities and provision of treatment facilities and effective community resources. In secondary prevention, family-based health services must have much role to play. Family counseling is method of treatment intervention from helping the mentally ill person. Tertiary prevention, it seeks reduce the duration of mental illness, thus reduce the stress they create for family and the community. In the short, the goal at this level to prevent the further breakdown and disruption. Mental health services क्या क्या होती हैं? Mental health services in community comprises early diagnosis and treatment, rehabilitation, group and individual psychotherapy, mental health education, use modern psychoactive drugs, after care services. 10 commandments of the mental health. Think positive, it's easier. Cherish the ones you love. Continue learning as long as you live. Learn from your mistake. Exercise daily. It enhances your well-being. Don't complicate your life unnecessary. Try to understand and encourage around you. Don't give up. Success in life is marathon. Discover and nurture your talent. Set the goal that you push and pursue your dream.